We need computer sheets, cutter, rubble-sided tape, a glue. Please leave a comment if you like my craft. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like my video. Thanks for watching.